Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. It's the start of a new financial year, and it's that time when many people try to maximize their investments in PPF either before the 5th of the month or over the course of the year. And I've said this several times before, and I would like to say it again. Um, if you're just starting out and if you don't have enough money to invest, if you're just barely trying to put together some money to invest, do not make the mistake of trying to put all of it into PPF or VPF or whatever. It's not a good thing. You can never achieve financial independence if you are debt heavy. So please don't try to opt for the secure guaranteed returns of tax free returns of PPF, Sukanya Yojana, etc. In fact, I would say invest as little as possible in these schemes. And you are if you are young and if your goals are several years away, you should be investing at least 60% or 50 to 60% in equity every month. Now, many people get angry when I say like this and say, but I can invest 60% in equity and still invest 1.5 lakhs. Yes, that's fine. If you can invest 60%, you can do whatever you want in the fixed income portfolio. But that is not representative of most investors in India. Very, very few investors can do that. So if you are rich or if you're already en route to financial independence, then it doesn't matter. You can manage. But most people are not. And some people say, oh, if I don't do that, if I don't maximize my investments in PPF every year, if I don't invest 1.5 lakhs, I will miss out on the compounding of PPF. Your aim is not to get the compounding benefits of PPF. Your aim is to become financially independent. PPF will never let you become financially independent. Nobody has, as far as I know, and I've done some work on this, even with high interest rates in the past, nobody has become a crorepati via PPF because the investment limitations was much less in the past. And so it is not a tool to make you financially independent on its own. I am not saying do not invest in PPF. I'm saying invest in PPF if you have a need for it. For example, if you already have an EPF, which is anyway giving you an interest of at least about nearly about 1% or so above PPF, although it gives it late, it gives it. Uh, why do you need PPF? You don't need PPF. Most people have a portfolio which is very heavy in EPF. So you must not be investing in PPF. You must be investing in equity. So it's not for everybody. It's need based. It is asset allocation based. The other argument I get is, oh, but PPF gives me close to 8%. Uh, I will get real returns even after tax, because there is no tax in this case. No, that is not the point. Even though you claim that our inflation is let's say 6 to 8%, there is something more to it. Our lifestyles are getting better and better, or worse and worse, depends on a point of view, because of changes in products, changes in technology, etc. The way products are being pushed to us. So our lifestyle creep, as or the inflation in our lifestyle is much higher than the inflation in our basic amenities. So the inflation in our basic essential amenities is about 6 to 8%. But if you take into account the kind of computers we use, the kind of smartphones we use, the cars we use, the two-wheelers we use, etc., whatever it is, the all the amenities we use, that inflation would be a little bit, I would say it depends on the person, but I would say it'll be close to double digits. So you need a significant chunk of equity in your portfolio to realistically keep pace with that kind of lifestyle inflation. And investing a lot of money in fixed income, however safe it is going to destroy your wealth. You will remain in the same place that you are today, even after 20 years and 30 years. If you want to enhance your lifestyle, if you want to become financially independent, maximizing investments in guaranteed products is not the route. So please reconsider your decision.